I do want to bring some realness to this. I apparently got this on my face. Oh no.
We gotta get a rag.
This van build has been far from easy. It's been a beast. We are Liz and Alex, two outdoor adventure and travel enthusiasts who recently bought a van to convert into our dream home on wheels.
I'm so nervous.
We documented our van build series well until week 6. Then we began to feel stressed and overwhelmed. So I've been feeling super overwhelmed by this phase of the van build for some reason. I felt like when it was like the base stuff, it felt more tangible and like there were clear defined steps, but now it's kind of like you make it the way you want it and no van build's exactly the same. So gradually got worse and worse at documenting the build. Turns out building a van is extremely challenging for two new DIYers like ourselves. I do want to bring some realness to this because I've watched several van build series on YouTube and I just don't think people emphasize enough how hard it is if you have zero experience with both parties in the relationship. In this video, we are going to speed through weeks 6 through 11 in an attempt to summarize the rest of the van build to date.
During week 6, we constructed our bathroom walls. All right, we got our wall up. It looks a lot better. 1/4-inch ply, but it has a lot of framing behind it. So here's our shower.
Yay!
I clearly touched the ceiling, but
You're gonna have a removable nozzle.
yeah. Finished and installed our built-in laptop case.
Final product. And we got our laptop case installed. Woohoo!
Drilled another hole in our van. Well, apparently I'm drilling another hole in the van. Hey, we got another hole. Built a bench seat.
So I'll show you what I've been up to. I have this sectioned off. This is the final product right now. I'm just super excited being able to do this on my own. Like I really honestly never thought I'd be able to do something like this on my own. So it's super exciting.
And finally, built a wheel well box for our electric setup. All right, I'm going to turn this wood into the wheel well box. Among other things.
And yeah, that concludes week 6. We did get started on this closet area. I think we're gonna finish that tomorrow and next week's gonna be all about cabinetry and just a lot of building things. During week 7, we installed our composting toilet.
We got our Nature's Head toilet today. Oh, let's see if it's comfortable. That seems pretty nice. Got our toilet in. Barely fits.
How's your knees there?
Actually, it's fine. If I'm seated back as far as I can go, I've got plenty of room.
We also finally installed our 4th and final window. We also took some much needed time off to spend time with family, including a special time date with our nephew, Caleb. How excited are you for our date?
2 trillion, quadrillion, 2 killion, and 1 quintillion. Quintillion!
What are you about to try?
Bubbles.
Your first ever? Okay, go get it down there. And remember to chew the bubbles.
Is it good?
Yeah. Wow, that was good. Yep. And we got to celebrate my sister's birthday. One of the many benefits of doing the van build close to family. Good job, Caleb! Got Daniel here keeping me company. Putting Caleb to work, you know.
During week 8, we installed our first piece of furniture.
Guys, we got the hinges on. We added 3 2-inch hinges to this. Our first piece of furniture-ish thing in here. Yay!
We also built a footrest with storage, installed our DIY roof rails after much trial and error.
Alright guys, once again in typical van build style, I had to redo what I just had redone.
And started something really exciting, building one of the kitchen cabinet frames.
Alright guys, today is a kind of a momentous occasion in our van building journey. We're actually assembling part of the kitchen cabinets, so that's exciting. So we're using 3/4 inch ply. Alex cut the pieces this morning and now we're gonna put it together, and I feel like that's gonna really make it feel like we're near the finish line having that assembled.
We are very excited because we have the beginnings of our cabinet here. We got a kickboard, our toe kick under here, so we can stand as close to the counter as we need to. And it seems huge. I'm a little concerned about this size for the van, but we did all the measurements, so it should work theoretically. Here's our kitchen cabinet, sort of.
In week 9, we built a set of shelves for our battery bank and began setting up the electrical system. We also stained the garage. All right guys, I have been staining for hours now, and I apparently got this on my face somehow during the process. Did some more work on the office space. Then we began building drawers for our kitchen cabinets.
Week 10 was all about finishing the kitchen cabinets, including Liz building a lot of drawers. We've got this mostly finished. I also finished our plumbing.
What? Week 11 was the mad dash to the finish before we took our van out for the first trip/test run. We finished installing kitchen cabinetry. What are you doing?
We're getting our kitchen in today, which is exciting. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. I'm very happy with how it turned out.
But shortly after, I discovered our brand new inverter had died. We built our bed slats and recreation drawer/bed support that we will finish after we come back from our break. My sister also helped us cut our 5-inch memory foam mattress with a turkey carver. It's like carving a turkey, but for my vegetarian sister's bed. Woohoo! Yeah!
Cutting job success.
Definitely.
Thank you, Sarah. We also installed our solar panels.
Been going back and forth about how we should mount these solar panels, and the only option that we've really found is to cut these, and then the solar panels will sit on top of these crossbars. It's not the best solution, but we don't really have another choice at this time, so gotta bust out the angle grinder again.
We tested our water, but unfortunately forgot to shut down a valve beforehand. Oh no, where is it going?
Oh, it came out of here. I thought that was closed. Okay, we gotta get a rag.
And we finally installed our office/dining room table.
We got it mounted, and it looks awesome. So now we gotta put the butcher block on it.
When we took this van build on, we were looking to challenge ourselves and learn new skills, and we got that and more. Throughout this, we dealt with extremely volatile weather. There's supposed to be snow showers all day today and tomorrow. We learned that redoing work was almost a daily endeavor. We are starting the day by readjusting the fridge cabinet we just did yesterday.
All right, so I was really excited about this bench, but unfortunately I have to take it out. Showing Robbie's father our office that we're so proud of, and then I was like, oh, we got this little lift top here, and then whoops.
All right, guys, so we made another mistake. That's just part of van building. It's making mistakes, we've realized, which can be really frustrating at times. And that no amount of powering through extremely long days, 7 days a week, would enable this build to be done in the time we had originally planned, which was 8 weeks.
It's the start of week 9. We didn't think we would end up taking this long on the van, but while the van is definitely not complete, it was ready for an adventure, and so are we, which you will see in our next video. Why is it coming out there? It's closed! Have a great wait. Oh boy.
Saying that this is just literally 2 minutes from where we just parked.
This is seriously like one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. This was completely unexpected. We are getting fully prepared to use our toilet.